ascent of sap. So what is the definition? The conduction of water takes place in upward direction. Always the conduction of water takes place in upward direction. Conduction of water. So the conduction of water always takes place in the upward direction of the plant. Roots absorb water through xylem vessels. So root absorb water through xylem vessels. It travels upward, passing stem and reaching the leaf tips. This process as a whole is called ascent of sap. Okay. So what is the definition? The definition of the ascent of sap is the conduction of water takes place in the upward direction of plants. Roots absorb water through the xylem vessels. It travels upward, passing stem and reaching the leaf tips. This process is a hold is known as ascent of sap. Okay, and there are some following theories are present have been put forward depending upon the ascent of sap. So let's know about the theory. What are the theory? So the first theory is vital force theory. Vital force theory. And this vital force theory was proposed by the scientist Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose in the year of 1923. Okay, so this vital force theory was proposed by Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose in the year of 1923. This theory is also known as pulsation theory. Pulsation. Pulsation theory, or otherwise known as pulsatory theory. So this vital force theory is otherwise known as pulsation theory. And this vital force theory says that innermost cortical cells of living cell pump water into the xylem channel. Okay, so this theory states that innermost cortical cells or living cells pump water into xylem channels. So the vital force theory is proposed by the scientist Sir J.C. Bose or Jagdish Chandra Bose in the year of 1923, and this theory is otherwise known as pulsation theory, and it states that innermost cortical cells of living cells pump water into xylem channels. And this is the first theory. Let's state about the second theory of ascent of sap. The second theory is root pressure theory. Root pressure theory. And this theory is proposed by the scientist Priestley. In the year of 1916. Okay, and this theory states that it states that water rises upward in the xylem due to positive pressure development in the root. Okay, so it states that that water rises upward in the xylem due to a positive pressure developed into the root in the root, and it is responsible for the active absorption of water. Okay, so basically the root pressure, the root pressure is responsible for the active absorption of water through the xylem. This theory states that. Okay, and this theory was also rejected at the time. And the third theory is capillary force theory. Capillary force theory. And this theory was proposed by the scientist Bohm in the year of 1863. And this theory states that the upward movement of water will continue till the force of adhesion and cohesion are balanced by the downward pull of gravity. This theory is applicable for the small sized plant only. Okay, so it states that the upward movement of water will continue till the forces of adhesion and cohesion are balanced by the downward pull of gravity. Okay, and this theory is only applicable for the small sized plant only, and this theory is not applicable for the large sized plant theory. That's why it is also rejected. And the last theory of which is fully described and acceptable theory among all the theory was cohesion tension theory. Cohesion tension theory. And this theory was proposed by two scientists named as Dickson and Joly. Dickson and Joly in the year of 1894. Okay, and it is also known as suction force theory of transpiration pull theory. Okay, so this cohesion tension theory is also known as suction force theory or transpiration pull theory. Okay, and it is, as I am saying, it is the most acceptable or most widely acceptable theory for ascent of shape. Okay, so this is the cohesion tension theory, and it is proposed by the working on combination of two scientists named as Dickson and Joly in the year of 1894. And let's see what are the factors. What are the factors that are affecting the ascent of scent? So the rate of ascent of scent is directly proportional to the rate of ascent of scent is directly proportional to the increase in temperature. Increased in temperature. Okay, and wind velocity, sorry, wind velocity, and water availability, water availability, and atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, and this ascent of seas is inversely proportional to the humidity pressure in the environment. Humidity present in the environment. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all about ascent of shape and the fourth theory, that is vital force theory, root pressure theory, capillary force theory, and cohesion tension theory, and the factors which are directly and indirectly or inversely proportional to the ascent of shape. This is all about the ascent of shape. Thank you, friends.